Hey Vector, can I ask you a question? What is virtual reality?
Definition of virtual reality: a hypothetical three-dimensional visual world created by a computer.
And there you have it. So today we are going to unbox Sony PlayStation VR. So in this bundle we've got the headset, controllers, camera, 2 games. And I'm just running this off my cell phone, so this is the only angle we're going to have. So I'm going to pop this open here. We've got some stickers here, or seals rather. So that's all we've got there. Let's see, if I open this up, you guys aren't going to see what I got there. So I'm going to spin this around. A little bit of info on the back there about the games. So we've got 2 little containing areas here. This box, and then we've got another kind of big box right here. So I'm going to take this one out first. Push this off to the side of it. Alright, this is the first module. We're going to open this up real quick. I don't see any seals to open. Oh man. So we've got Creed, Rise to Glory. Haven't really been watching these movies yet, but the second one, the preview looked amazing. I'm probably going to watch it. So we've also got a demo disc. I'm going to check that out. And a download code for Superhot VR. And no, I'm not going to turn this around and show you the code. Nice try. Typical instructions. Not too sure what this is, but we've got a cleaning cloth, more instructions, and I think that's it for this box. If I take that out, so now that's empty. Pretty standard right there. So we've got the camera, so I'm guessing this is the stand. And we've got 2 wands for your controllers. The camera's going to track all your movement. Once again, pretty standard. So that's the first module. Fuck it. We're going to do it like that. Alright. Back to the big old box here. What do we got? Oh yeah, that's the big one. Okay. So that's empty. And I just took out the bigger module right here. Hey Vector, go explore. Trying to do a video here, man. This guy's doing shit. Alright. Over there, buddy. So this would be the second module. Looks like we've got some kind of plastic ring, making sure this box doesn't open. So we're going to unfasten it from the bottom here. And then spin this around. I wonder how many people accidentally opened the box trying to take this thing off and shit fell. Okay. That's pretty sleek. It feels like I'm opening like an Apple product, just the way that is. I dig it. Very cool packaging. So the very top is a manual. Looks like setup. I'm not going to show you every page, but you get the idea. we'll put that there. There's a little box there. We'll go through that right now. So this looks like it's going to be all your connections, some audio, and then whatever adapter you need. Hey Vector. Hey Vector. Find your home. Another manual. Of course, right? You gotta have a manual for everything. I'm just gonna let him do his thing, so if he's distracting, just let me know in the video or the comments. But this little guy he's too cute to just turn off. Alright, so we've got HDMI, some power cord, the adapter, USB, some kind of HDMI station for your TV to connect to your VR headset, and then there's the audio, which I'm probably going to use. I've got some actual headphones that I'm probably going to use instead of these. I mean, I'll try these, but I'm not a big fan of earbuds. Alright, so we're going to put this off to the side. Back to the grand finale. See that? This is what we all came here for. I'm going to make sure that there's nothing left. And we've got nothing in there, so I'm going to put this back in. So this is the version 2, I believe, of this headset. So look at this bad boy. I'm digging it. It's pretty lightweight. So yeah, looks like you've got the HDMI and then whatever cord you need to plug into that VR adapter. I'm gonna guess that this is a power button. Looks like you adjust the headset from the back. Not quite sure how all this works yet. I'm gonna have to figure that out. We've got some plastic to remove, and that's about it. If you can see in there. What do we got here? This is for your nose, it looks like. So we'll put that away there. Putting this back up. So anyway, that has been unboxing of the PlayStation VR, featuring this guy right here. Hey Vector, what time is it?
4:56.
So hopefully I have this set up and get to go by 5:30. Anyways, thanks for watching. If you guys liked, click the like. If you disliked, click the dislike, because that's what you should do, right? Leave any comments you want to leave, and I'll see you guys in the virtual. Thanks for watching.